Hey everyone, how's it going? My name is Matt. Welcome to Roads of Oz. Something a bit different. Gonna have a crack at flying a drone. So it's been a few years since I've actually had a go at drones. I had a go a couple of years ago flying ones without GPS in them, and to control them was smashed it to bits. So gonna have a go. I picked up this little Tello for 70 bucks on Facebook Marketplace. Hasn't even been opened yet, so happy days. The girl I bought it off was an unwanted Christmas present. So anyway, let's have a crack, see how we go. So I've just condensed this part down. It's just basically me putting the drone together, which is just the battery, and then just quickly reading over the instructions and downloading the Tello app onto my iPhone. All very easy and straightforward. Alright, so it's the next day. By the time I charged the battery, it was dark and you can't use these things at night. So let's... got the phone, it's 50% charge, so that should be fine. Right, so apparently turn that on. There it is. Alright, so it's come up with a bit of a beginner's guide. Are we connected? I don't think we're connected. So it gives you instructions, what the controllers do on the phone. Oh. Alright, we'll take it outside, just so we don't want to crash it in the garage. So there she is sitting up there, and I'm just going to have a bit of a play for a while. So once you get the hang of the controls, it's not too bad. I was just playing around, trying some of the functions, seeing how the camera went. The camera isn't that great for like a YouTube video standard, but for a bit of fun at home, it does the job. A bit glitchy because the video is actually recorded on your phone and not on a micro USB card or something like that on the drone. But had a lot of fun learning how to fly it. That was a lot of fun. Due to the size of this, it is easy to lose if you've got a dark background like trees or something, but a lot of fun. I was able to bring it back to me fairly easily. It is limited in range due to the Wi-Fi, but that's all right. For now, I'm just going to learn how to fly this thing properly. I did struggle initially figuring out the direction because it's so small, you don't know where front and back is till it's too late. When it does get out of range, it does stop, so it's not like it's going to fly off into the distance. There's very little wind around today, so that was pretty cool. That was a lot easier to fly. My daughter's going to have a go flying it today, so hopefully it's in one piece on the next vid. Anyway, that's pretty much it. Thanks very much for watching. I'm going to go put this on charge, and then we're going to have another go. If you found the video interesting, please like, share and subscribe. Thanks again, and I'll see you on the next vid.